Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Something Sexy. The song is Bedroom Lovers, the artist is A.M.X, Andre Mew, and the choreography is Sean Dennis and EJAYA Johnson of All Snap. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend as we celebrate our 10th year anniversary, the NOLA Southern Experience. July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for detailed information about the event, the host hotel, and additional activities. www.lmiunola.com. And here we go.
Workers ain't treating you right, right. Sweet time, they treating us a would. 50 Shades of Grey, love would be loud. I swear, I promise, musky in your skin. Go together like a 6-4 with hydraulic. Temperature drop to bed. Good job, good problem solved for tonight. Will be no phone, no text, no string attached for tonight. Will be you and you are from relieving stress, anxiety on day-to-day living. You see my therapy on you. I can't wait to operate. I swear, I promise, musky in your skin. Temperature drop to bed. Good job, good problem solved for tonight. Will be no phone, no text, no string attached for tonight. Will be whatever you ask for, you shall receive. Just name it, girl. Whatever you want for the occasion. There's evening, all we have is time on our hands. I swear, I promise, musky in your skin. Go together like a 6-4 with hydraulic. Temperature drop to bed. Good job, good problem solved for tonight. Will be no phone, no text, no strings attached for tonight. Will be good job, the problem solved for tonight. Will be no text, no strings attached for tonight.
And there you go, something sexy. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.